Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Nello, as always. So you guys, today's video, we're in my kitchen. For today's video, you guys can clearly see, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my special peppered gizzard recipe. Okay, in case you're new here, I am Nello and I actually do have a food channel. I'm going to link it down below in my description box, so just click on that to go and subscribe to my food channel if you're interested. I have so much more videos on that channel. It's dedicated solely to just food videos, unlike here where we have fun and explore with different types of videos. Okay, that being said, let's get cooking. So before we get into the business of today, I just want to give a big shout out to Zoe Groceries. So basically, they are a grocery delivery service here in Port Harcourt. They deliver anything, everything, starting from meat to vegetables to everything in between, for your baking, for your cooking, for anything that has to do with the kitchen. They are your plug. Okay, they've been my plug now for years. I've been using them now for about 2 years. Okay, so yeah, they are based in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. I'm sure if you've been on this channel before, you must have seen me talk about them before whenever they deliver something for me. Like when I buy my chicken in cartons, like my frozen chicken, I always order from them, my wings. And you guys know, like, I deliver food as well. Like, it's actually a side thing I do. I cook and deliver food. Okay, I buy like almost every single thing from them. Obviously, I still go to the markets almost every other week actually, to get some other things I need. But yes, they are my plug for everything. And today I just ordered a bunch of things from them, which I'll be showing you right now. I'm just so impressed. I'm not even going to lie. Everything right now is looking very, very fresh. Like, the quantities I got, I'm definitely not going to get this quantity if I had gone to buy it in the market, because that's another advantage. I know some of their things they buy directly, like tomatoes, they buy directly from Joss and stuffs like that. So it's not like they go to the market and pick out, something little and come and sell to you for a higher price. No, 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 no. Okay, you're going to get it at market price. Sometimes even the same price but more quantity. So basically you're getting more for less. I'm going to put all their details in my description box down below in case you're interested. Okay, trusted customer, use them for 2 years, and yeah, they've not disappointed me yet. And if you've tried them in the past and you had a bad experience, come and report to me. I am going to go and take it up with them. Okay, but they are amazing. Trust me, they are really, really amazing. Let me show you guys what I got. Everything we're going to be using. Okay, let me show you in the raw form before I wash it up and show you guys how I'll use it to cook today. So in here I have some pepper. You guys can see, I don't even want to be touching this pepper too much, but you can see how fresh it looks. I mean, fresh pepper. I bought like 500 naira pepper. It goes up until like this point, so there's a lot of pepper here. I bought onions. You guys can see the onions. I also bought green pepper. Trust me, very fresh, no stories. I bought 500 naira green pepper as well. Now green pepper goes for like 100 naira each, so yeah, I bought 500 naira green pepper. And I also bought tatashe, which in Nigeria, tatashe is our red bell pepper. You guys can see that it is fresh. And in here, this is the main thing actually. Okay, let me just drag it open. In here I have gizzard. Okay, come and help me open this bag. In here I have gizzard. You guys, this gizzard is massive. This is definitely turkey gizzard. Let me bring down one so you guys can see. So this is the gizzard. Yeah, okay, focused. So this is the gizzard. It's massive and it's somewhat clean actually. So yeah, I like that they've cleaned out all this yama yama that normally comes with gizzard. But I'm going to let this defrost. I won't be able to cook now. I'm going to let this defrost first while I prepare my vegetables, and I'll be back. Can you guys see the size of this gizzard? Oh my god. Look how big this thing is. I've not seen gizzard this big before. You guys, this is so massive. This on its own, it's a meal. You guys, like I can cut this into pieces and prepare it and eat it by myself. I just wanted to show you guys. So this is the pepper that I'm going to go ahead and blend. Yes, I just added like 2 tatashe, which is red pepper, into it just to dilute the pepper a little bit, even though I love my meat hot. But yeah, we're going to be blending this, so I'm just going to drop it here while I cut this. See, Zoe, you guys need to tell me how this is possible. Like, I still can't believe how big this is. I've never seen one this big. Like, it's almost the length of my head. You guys, it is almost the length of my head. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and chop this now. So that's it guys, we are done and I cannot wait to dig into this food. Please don't forget to check out Zoe Groceries. I'm going to put their name on the screen. Their link and all their details will be in my description box down below, so please do check them out and hope you guys are all having a good time, having a good day. Please bring your plates. In fact, this food is enough for all of us. Bring your plates. Let me start dishing for everybody, okay? Everyone should just come and bring your plates. I'm waiting for people. Bring your plates, let's eat, okay? Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next one.